Hi there, I'm Felipe Negron with Realty One Group, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to determine your budget so you can rent a house. The first step in setting yourself up for success is to determine your housing budget. I know that for many people, this is a sensitive subject and it can cause a lot of mixed feelings, especially fear. I believe many fears come from the unknown. I'm confident that many people don't take the time to create a budget and much less review it on a regular basis if they do indeed have one. So let's eliminate that fear by creating a budget and know for sure how much house you can afford to rent. There are many resources available to you today to help you easily and quickly put together a budget so that you can determine how much house you can afford to rent. I've put up a screenshot of some of the more popular budgeting apps that are available for your smart devices. I'm not going to get too deep in the exact steps on creating an actual budget in this video, as there are more than enough resources available for free online that can help you get this done. I will say the budgeting tool I do recommend you use is the one that you can consistently update on a regular basis. This video is going to focus more on the housing category of your budget. I've put up an image that reflects popular housing budget percentages when it comes to setting up your budget categories. Each category can vary based on your unique situation and where you live. As I mentioned, we're going to mainly focus in on the housing category. As part of putting together your budget, you will need to input your income, as this is one of the critical parts of a budget. Landlords will also use the gross income, which is the amount you earn before Uncle Sam deducts taxes from your rental application, as one of their criteria to determine if you qualify to rent the house or not. Now, a quick sidebar. If you are considering having a roommate or multiple applicants or a cosigner apply for a house with you, I would highly recommend that they each go through this process as well. You don't necessarily have to share all the details from your budget with them, but everyone should at least discuss how much house they believe they can afford with one another. As I mentioned earlier, a landlord will take a look at each applicant's income as one of the criteria that they're going to base their decision on as to whether your application will be approved or declined. In Arizona, a general rule of thumb regarding what a landlord is looking for to satisfy the income portion of the application package is 3 times the monthly rent. What do I mean by that? Let's take a look. Say you're interested in a house that has an asking rental price of $1,250 per month. The landlord will prefer that the total gross income from all the applicants is 3 times $1,250 or $3,750 per month. Keep in mind this criteria can vary based on the market the house you're looking to rent is in and the risk tolerance of each specific landlord. Knowing the 3 times figure will help you determine if you qualify for the house you're interested in renting. Now let's extend our hypothetical scenario from above just a bit further. You're looking at a house with an asking rental price of $1,250 a month. Let's say your gross income is $933 per week. Multiply your weekly income by 52 because that's how many weeks are in a year. Rocket science, right? With our calculation, you get a total annual gross income of $48,516. The next step is to divide your total gross annual income by 12, as that's how many months we have in a year, and you'll get $4,043. Let's look back at that 3 times number, which was $3,750. In this scenario, you and your co-applicants, if applicable, make well over the 3 times income criteria. So you should not have any trouble proving to a landlord that you can afford this house. Now, if you and your co-applicants don't make more than 3 times this number we're using in this example, you may have to ask yourself if this is the right house for you to rent. It's not a wise move to rent a home that will put an unneeded stress on your budget. I hope this video has helped you with one of the many steps you'll take in renting a house. If you want to learn more about working with me, I put a link beneath this video you can click and we can jump on a call. In the comments section, let me know what your thoughts are, if this makes sense, or if you have more questions about renting a house. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Thank you so much for watching.